About to sneeze. Oh, for fuck's sake, I didn't sneeze. All right, big snazzy time. Look at this thing. It's a Pacific. Oh, a Pacific elevator and equipment company. Fan for FIFCO. Very nice. What's up, Biff? All right, I'm just going to stop talking like a rapist. And, ride this bitch. Oh, yeah. Let's try the ALRAM. Whoop! Close the gate. JK, it closes on its own. B. Oh, shit, it's unlocked. Oh, good, we're stopping. How's it going?
Good.
What floor? L?
L.
Sorry.
It's alright. Taking a video of this?
Yeah, I'm just interested in elevators.
This is a pretty cool one.
Yeah, I like it. It's nice and old.
Yeah. Does it say?
What?
Does it say how old?
I'd assume this was installed like 1910s, 20s. Only thing that's been replaced are the buttons. And they probably made the gate open on its own later on. Have a good one, man.
Yeah.
Here, I'll get you.
Thanks.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
It's the spooky basement. Ooh, it's the spooky basement. Oh shit, is that the morgue? Damn, alright. Just a random ass scooter down there? Okay. Nice. Send it to 7 and watch it go.